Hey everybody, this is going to be a quick demo. I'm going to kind of rush through, but this is going to be a quick demo of the front end for HCD Hub as it is right now running locally on my computer. We're working on a hosting solution for the front end right now. Our friend Henry is helping out with that, and our back end is currently up and running on RIT's RLS system, but not made public yet. So as soon as GCCIS Technical Operations gets back to me on the ticket that I entered today, that should be ready to go. But right now I'll just give you guys a quick update on where we're at for the front end. This is the main page of the website. From here you can access many of our static web pages, so this is going to be stuff that's going to help students just get general information about the major. A lot of these links are direct links to those pages. You can also log out and log in from here, so I can come in here and log in, which gives me access to the content manager, which can be used to update any of the content on the website. The content is generally displayed on the front page. These are projects with the showcase tag, so any projects that contain the showcase tag have been designated to appear on this little thing. So this is just kind of goes to show that like the tag system that goes along with the project can be used to differentiate between different types of posts and projects. All of the projects on the website can be seen here. Right now there's only 5. Each project has a unique photo that goes along with it, and content as well. The content is built out with a WYSIWYG editor, so if I went into this post, for example, you can see this is all of the content in the post, and you can see it as a preview down here. So when I go to the actual page, I see that all of this content exists. It allows us to sort of just present these posts as articles. Excuse the noise in the background if you guys can hear that. My roommates are watching a true crime documentary. But so this is generally how the projects and posts will be displayed. But going on to the static content of the web pages. So we have a few of these built out already based on Rin's lovely wireframes. But this is generally pretty simple stuff. A lot of these pages are just presenting information to the user so that they can get their questions answered and come to conclusions about different things. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, so right now we have FAQ. Not sure if the resources, yes. And the resources as far as the co-op pages. This is a pretty simple page, obviously, but it just contains a bunch of static data, and don't worry about any of this text. It's all just filler right now. Course help. So we have HCD pathways, which is done, but not done enough for me to want to share it with the whole class. We have a tutoring form. This form could easily be built out to automatically email all this information out, but right now it's just sort of sitting here as an example for what the UI could look like. We have frequently asked questions. This will actually just be the same design as this, but we're going to just use a different page for course help as we used for co-op help. And the same thing for mentoring as well. Mentoring will be generally the same styling as the tutoring page. We have an alumni directory, which we can use to see, which we hope to use to see the information and names and contact of alumni who opt in to being on the website. All of this can be searched dynamically, I think. So I'm on here, so if I go Jack, I appear. Bit of a refresh issue there, but still working on it. And this alumni page is going to sort of work similarly to the faculty page, so just trying to get the MVP designs out of the way, but there's also a link to the Discord, which will just directly link the user to the Discord invite. As I mentioned previously, any post can be edited or rearranged. The post editor looks like this with a little live preview. You can add raw HTML. The post page itself just decompiles raw HTML itself using preset styles. So if you wanted to get super creative with how your post looked, you have the opportunity with the raw HTML. You can also add images, and there's some standard pre-styled stuff like titles, paragraphs, and subheadings. Tags can be altered and edited on the website. So I'm pretty sure I already said this, but each post has tags. So as you can see, these are the tags that are associated with the taco article. And as you can see, it's marked as a showcase post. So that is why it appears up here on the banner. But you can manage and edit tags if you're an admin on the website. There's different roles and permissions, and if you're an admin, you basically have free reign over who gets what permissions and who has what role. And as an admin, you're able to edit any post or create and delete tags and roles. Excuse me. Right now, there's no full implementation for user management and role management, but that is next on my list after we get RLS up and running. So yeah, that is about it for now. I think it's coming along pretty good, and the team is working really hard. So thank you, everybody, and hope you all have a good day. Sorry about the noise once again.